Preconventional morality is the first level in Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development. At this stage, moral reasoning is primarily driven by self-interest and the consequences of actions. In this stage, individuals, typically children, make decisions based on avoiding punishment and seeking rewards rather than considering societal norms or ethical principles. Key features of preconventional morality. First, obedience and punishment orientation is a hallmark of preconventional morality. Individuals at this stage obey rules to avoid punishment. They perceive authority figures as powerful and infallible, and their moral reasoning centers around the fear of consequences rather than understanding why rules exist. Second, there is an emphasis on self-interest. Moral decisions are guided by what is in the individual's best interest. Actions are taken based on what will bring the greatest benefit to oneself, often without considering the needs or feelings of others. Third, instrumental relativism characterizes this level. Individuals recognize that others have their own interests and that mutual benefit can be achieved through fair exchanges. They understand that cooperating with others can lead to personal gain, leading to a "you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours" mentality. Here are some examples of preconventional morality. 1, a child refrains from taking a cookie because they fear being scolded by their parents. 2, a student completes their homework to receive praise and rewards from the teacher. 3, a young child shares toys with a friend because they expect the friend to share in return. 4, a kid lies about breaking a vase to avoid punishment. 5, a teenager follows curfew rules to receive allowances from their parents. Let's look at 2 strengths of preconventional morality. Our first strength is that it provides clear guidance. At this early stage of moral development, simple rules and direct consequences help children understand the basics of right and wrong. This clear structure is crucial for their initial learning about acceptable behavior. Another strength is that it teaches accountability. By associating actions with consequences, children learn that their behavior has direct outcomes. This understanding of cause and effect is foundational for developing more advanced moral reasoning later in life. However, preconventional morality has its limitations. One significant limitation is its self-centeredness. Since moral reasoning is focused on personal gain and avoiding punishment, it does not consider the broader implications of actions on others or the importance of empathy and altruism. Another limitation is its limited scope. This stage does not encourage individuals to think beyond immediate consequences or consider higher ethical principles. As a result, moral decisions are often superficial and lack a deeper understanding of justice, fairness, and the common good. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.